front line. Every creation begins with the purest fibers, hand-picked with care. From field to collection, precision ensures the finest raw material. Careful handling preserves quality, ready to journey to the factory.
Every fiber travels under watchful eyes, maintaining its premium integrity.
Arrival marks the transition from nature to craftsmanship. Each bundle is carefully placed to ensure the journey continues flawlessly. Stored safely, the raw materials await the first step of transformation.
Mechanized precision prepares each fiber for refinement.
Cleaning ensures purity before fibers meet the machines that craft luxury. With every fiber perfected, the journey toward luxury fashion begins. From the fields, our premium fibers begin their journey to the heart of the factory.
Every mile traveled maintains the fiber's pristine quality.
The transition from open fields to high-tech production is seamless.
Entry protocols ensure every batch is handled safely.
Precision and care guide every motion, preserving excellence.
The journey continues under watchful eyes and advanced systems. Every bale finds its place before processing begins. Inspection guarantees consistency in every thread.
Automation meets craftsmanship, ensuring perfect preparation.
Prepared fibers are now ready for their first transformation.
A state-of-the-art facility stands ready to craft luxury.
Every entry is controlled, every movement tracked.
Inside, raw materials await transformation under expert eyes.
Every move is calculated for efficiency and care.
The journey into luxury begins with meticulous organization. Verification ensures only the finest fibers proceed.
Precision in motion carries fibers to the heart of the factory. Machines refine natural's bounty with mechanical care. Purity preserved, fibers are ready to be spun into luxury fabric.
Initial cleaning ensures each fiber meets the Leopard Noir standard.
Precision sorting separates the finest fibers for luxury fabric.
Human touch ensures quality no machine alone can achieve.
Technology enhances our craftsmen's discerning eyes.
Organized by quality, fibers await their transformation.
Every adjustment guarantees flawless flow into the production line.
Fibers now approach the stage where they gain structure and strength.
Each sample guarantees the consistency that defines luxury. With fibers aligned and inspected, spinning begins their transformation. Threads of perfection are spun from the finest fibers.
Carefully collected, each bobbin holds the promise of luxury fashion.
Precision control ensures fibers are strong yet supple.
Alignment for weaving is critical for seamless luxury patterns.
Every thread is guided with meticulous care.
Warp rolls stand ready, the blueprint for patterned fabric.
Looms transform thread into the iconic Leopard Noir patterns.
Threads converge, revealing the signature luxury pattern.
Human vigilance complements machinery precision. From threads to patterned fabric, the core transformation is complete.
Color is infused to perfection, setting the tone for luxury fashion.
Rinsing preserves vibrancy while maintaining texture.
Controlled drying ensures fibers remain soft and resilient.
Inspection guarantees each roll meets Leopardo Noir ashed standards.
Finishing refines texture, adding the signature luxury feel.
Each spot and line reflects our uncompromising artistry.
Controlled cooling locks in quality and durability.
Attention to detail ensures perfection in every inch.
From raw fibers to patterned fabric, the transformation is complete.
Automation ensures every cut is exact, preserving luxury integrity.
High-tech precision confirms every detail is flawless.
Robots assist, but human oversight remains crucial.
Technology magnifies what the eye alone cannot see. Even folding is refined to perfection. Smooth transitions maintain the integrity of luxury fabric. Every fiber is assessed, no detail overlooked.
Sorting guarantees each product line receives exactly what it requires. Patterns are aligned with surgical accuracy.
Automation perfects the process without compromising craftsmanship. Every cut forms the foundation of luxury fashion. Precision in assembly ensures design integrity. Stitches hold not just fabric, but the essence of luxury. Pressing adds the flawless finish expected from Leopardo Noir.
Each pattern reflects meticulous attention to detail. Every edge is refined to perfection.
Brand identity is seamlessly integrated. Luxury demands rigorous quality checks.
Every spot and line is verified for perfection.
Stitch durability ensures garments last as long as luxury demands. Color retention guarantees signature vibrancy.
Tactile perfection is essential for luxury wear.
Approval confirms every piece meets Leopardo Noir hashed standards.
Certification is the final mark of excellence.
Organized storage ensures smooth flow to dispatch.
Every piece moves closer to the customer experience.
With quality assured, garments are ready for presentation to the world.
Luxury is not just in fabric, but in presentation.
Each package carries the Leopardo Noir at sheet promise.
Prepared pallets await their journey to global destinations.
Storage keeps luxury organized until shipment.
Every shipment handled with care, ready for the world.
From factory floor to fashion front lines, every step matters.
And this is how modern factories produce Leopardo Noir from start to finish.
Every thread, every pattern, every garment tells the story of craftsmanship.
Innovation, precision, and artistry define Leopardo Noir luxury.
Discover the journey behind every luxury garment.